Hi guys, welcome to our new project. Well, hopefully this will be a project very soon. Miles is going to lead us through our new commercial conversion project. This is the retail unit, which we look to keep as a retail unit. At the moment it's got some lovely furniture being stored, some beds.
The plan is for down here, we're literally just going to take it back to white box, so that involves ceiling tiles, probably put some aircon in here, reuse what's upstairs, paint the walls white, plastering it, then painting it white, and that's pretty much it. Ready for a commercial tenant to come in. We're currently, joint venture partner is currently talking to a local business who needs a bigger site. So at the moment, access to upstairs is there, and there's also some at the back. I'll show you very briefly though downstairs, and then we'll make our way up to the resi upstairs. If Pete can very kindly open the door. So, downstairs we got some toilets. Corner. Some more toilets. There's nothing too interesting down here. This will be let as part of the commercial. So they'll presumably use it as storage. All the electricity, so this is substantial, and part of the reason is because this used to be a bank. So we've got a three-phase supply, electricity supply coming in, which is good because we're planning on building 7 flats upstairs, which use a lot of electricity, and normally a smaller unit will have a one-phase supply, which would not be enough for 7 flats, so it's good that that's already in place. And that's downstairs. We then take you back up the stairs to where the residential will be. So now ground floor. To the first floor, there's a toilet in there, won't bother showing you that. Bit of storage, and then we come through here into, this is the entrance to one of the 2-bed flats, so this is going to be part of it, and then the other part through there, currently, well, was used as a plant room, so this is going to be the rest of it. This needs a bit of cladding on the outside because it was a bit of a flimsy shell to this bit. So yeah, this bit's going to be 2-bed flat. And then, I'm not going to be able to open that with no hands. Thanks, mate. And then this is the rest of the building that's going to be used for the rest of the flats. So we've got very interesting seats down there, not sure how it works. Here. There's a lot of glazing here, a lot of it is actually fine, it's already double glazed, looks fairly new. Some of them we'll have to replace on the rear of the building. Around the corner. That was the staircase coming from the ground floor. All this space here, and these 2 huge safes. They're extremely heavy. It's about 20 centimetres thick door. We're going to have to get those removed. Not the easiest job. And this room currently being used to store mattresses by the business next door, as it's, well, currently vacant and will be bought with vacant possession. Back around the corner. Stairs onto the top floor. We've got a hotel here which we've been informed that it's being used for temporarily housing needy people. There's a bit of a plant room through here, or was used for water actually. Storage in here. So we're buying this with, it's a combination of permitted development and planning. So the majority of the office space upstairs, so this floor and the one below, is we're converting into residential under permitted development. But the plant room which we're in downstairs, which I can show you out the window here. So, that room, that was a plant room. We had to get, we're buying this with this bit's planning permission to change that into residential. So partly permitted development, that bit's planning. And as I said, it's going to be 7 2-bed flats. Good to go. Excellent. Well, that is it. We'll show you more updates. We haven't actually completed on this yet, but we're aiming to shortly. Say bye, Pete.
Bye, Pete.
And it's a bye from me.